Once again, you are most welcome, students. In this video, as you know, that this time we are studying the book Flamingo, Chapter 2, Lost Spring. Now, today in this video, we have to proceed page number 19 to 20. As in the last video, I have explained you page number 17 to 18 that when the author visited the place where those bangle maker lived, she observed the critical condition of those people, how they lived in the cottage, how much they were suffering there, and about a family was related to Mukesh. Especially here, the author is representing the story of Mukesh family. Now you see here, but no light in her eyes. But no light in her eyes. This is the character of Mukesh mother. Mukesh mother, who is looking very old, and there is bangles in her wrist, but there is no light in her eyes. It seemed that she has lost her eyes. एक वक्त शेर भर खाना भी नहीं खाया. She says in a voice drained of joy. And at that time, she answered the author in a very satisfactory mode that after working hard, there is no pleasure for them in their life, and for this moment she is hungry. She has not taken part of her food. She has not enjoyed even one full meal in her entire lifetime. और बताती है कि उसने इतने कड़ी परिश्रम करने के बाद भी वो लोग अपने जीवन में एक टाइम का भर पेट भोजन नहीं आज तक कर पाए. दैट्स वॉट शी हैज़ रिप्ड. और यही कारण है कि वो इस तरह से बूढ़ी हो चुकी है. उसकी शरीर की कद काठी, फिजिकल अपीयरेंस, जो फीचर्स है, इस तरह से वहाँ पे प्रतीत हो रहा है. Her husband, an old man with a flowing beard, says, and this old woman, husband means Mukesh's father, who is the husband of old woman. Now he has a long beard, दाढ़ी जिसको बोलते हैं. So moving his hand over his beard, he said, I know nothing except bangles. वो बताता है कि बैंगल्स के अलावा उसे और कुछ नहीं, दूसरा कोई काम नहीं आता. All I have done is make a house for the family to live in. और बताया कि उसने अपने जीवन में और कुछ नहीं कर पाया एक्सेप्ट ऑफ ए, घर बनाने के, अपने परिवार के लिए घर बनाने के अलावा. हियरिंग हिम वन वंडर्स इफ ही हैज़ अचीव्ड what many have failed in their lifetime. He has a roof over his head. And the author says that hearing the lifetime of the family, one can wonder that after the long struggle in his life, this family is only able to have a roof over their head. Except of this little hut, they had nothing. The cry of not having money to do anything except carry on the business of making bangles, not even enough to eat, rings in every home. और बताती हैं यहाँ पे ओल्ड वुमेन बताते हैं कि the hunger of money is a dream for them, and they had nothing except of only to carry the business of bangle making. Very hardly they are only able to eat, but that is also not sufficient for them, and that's why they are suffering here so much. uh, Only in their house there is ring of bangles in home, and except of those rings they had nothing to uh, increase their development in the life. The young men echo the lament of their elders, and the there they realize the lament means sadness for the elders who has now left them. Little has moved with time, it seems, in Firozabad, and the old man says that the little man has now left the place. Now they have settled themselves in the city of Firozabad, and years of mind numbing toil have killed all initiative and the ability to dream. और बताते हैं कि ईयर्स ऑफ माइंड नंबिंग, नंबिंग मीन्स स्तब्ध कर देने वाला, शून्य कर देने वाला, लंबे समय तक की जो कठिन परिश्रम उनके परिवार के द्वारा हुई, उन्होंने सारे परिश्रम ने सारे इनिशिएटिव को, सारे उनके जीवन के पहल को समाप्त कर दिया। एंड द एबिलिटी ऑफ ड्रीम, और उनके ड्रीम को भी, जो भी ड्रीम उन लोगों ने देखा था उस ड्रीम को भी द एंड कर दिया। Why not organize yourself into a cooperative? I ask a group of young men who have fallen into the vicious circle of middlemen who trapped their fathers and forefathers. The author says that at that time uh, she asked that why they didn't start some organization, some works to cooperate themselves and be a cooperative in the life. She asked the group of young men who were uh, standing before them in a very vicious circle, means in a cruel mode of the middleman who has trapped, crushed, trapped means crushed the fathers and forefathers. Even if we get organized, we are the ones we will be hauled up by the police. तो इस प्रश्न का उत्तर, जो प्रश्न ऑथर का यहाँ पे था उस यंग मैन से, कि क्यों नहीं आप लोगों ने कुछ नई कोऑपरेटिव ऑर्गेनाइज किया, कुछ नई काम क्यों नहीं शुरू किया, तो उस पर उन लोगों ने जवाब दिया कि अगर वे लोग कुछ नई इस तरह का संगठित होने का काम करते हैं, कुछ नया काम शुरू करते हैं, तो उन लोगों को पुलिस के द्वारा उठा ले जाया जाता, पीटा जाता, जेल में उठा के ड्रैग टू जेल फॉर डूइंग समथिंग इलीगल, कोई न कोई इलीगल काम दिखा के उनको जेल में डाल दिया जाता। एज दे से देयर इज़ नो लीडर अमॉन्ग देम, क्योंकि उनका कोई लीडर भी नहीं है जो उनको बचा पाता। एंड नो वन कुड हेल्प देम सी थिंक डिफरेंटली, और कोई ऐसा है भी नहीं जो उनको मदद कर सकता, इन चीज़ों से उनको बचा सकता। तो दिस टाइम द फैमिली इज एक्सप्रेसिंग the great grief before the author, that they had nothing except of the bangle making. If they tried to do anything more, definitely they had to suffer so much, and police also uh, make them criminal. Now their fathers are as tired as they are, and the old man is also looking very tired, but the sons were also looking so tired like the father. They talk endlessly in a spiral that moves from poverty to apathy to greed and to injustice. And at that time their talking was endlessly, अंतहीन था, in a spiral. Spirals means continuous process. They were talking in a continuous process, and their कन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम पॉवर्टी टू apathy. अपैथी मीन्स उदासीनता, गरीबी से लेकर उदासीनता तक की उनके लाइफ का, ग्रीड एंड टू इनजस्टिस, ग्रीड को और उनके साथ हुए अन्याय को, इन सारी चीज़ को उनकी स्टोरी वहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब कर रही थी, शो कर रही थी. Listening to them, I see two distinct worlds. One of the family caught in the web of poverty. And the author says here that after listening to all of them, she found two type of world at that time. वन ऑफ द फैमिली कॉट इन अ वेव ऑफ पॉवर्टी, एक ऐसा संसार जिसमें उनकी जो पूरी परिवार है गरीबी की जंजाल में जकड़ चुकी है, बर्डेंड, और दूसरी बर्डेंड बाय द स्टिग्मा ऑफ कास्ट, जात पात के कलंक में दब चुकी है, इन विच दे आर बॉर्न, जहाँ वे पैदा हुए हैं. एंड द अदर विशियस सर्कल ऑफ द साहूकार, और जो दूसरा है वो क्रूअल साहूकारों के सर्कल से घिरी हुई है. The middleman, the policeman, the keeper of law, the bureaucrats and the politicians, and these are the people surrounding before them. They have also created problem for them, and they were suffering so much. They have lot of fright in their mind that they will be make them. They will be create problem for them, so they are living a very fearful life there. Together they have imposed the baggage on the child that he cannot put down before he is aware. He accepts it as naturally as his father. And together they have imposed the baggage. Baggage means होता है pardon करना, क्षमा मांगना, and they were realizing sorry for them at that time on the child that he cannot put down.